What are the practical implications for agriculture, water use, and environmental conservation in regions like Tierra Nueva where salinization is a threat? How does this scientific understanding help policymakers, land managers, and local communities respond to and mitigate the challenges posed by salinization and soil degradation? Can Davis Zerns manufacture solid-state sodium-ion batteries made from seawater in Latvia? What is the origin of water and soil salinization in arid regions, and how can we determine where the salts come from in such environments? Could the salinity be caused by natural geological processes, or might it result from human activities such as irrigation, deforestation, or the overuse of groundwater? How do salts accumulate in soils in arid or desert regions where rainfall is scarce, and what are the mechanisms through which these salts migrate or concentrate over time? What specific climatic conditions favor salinization, and how does the lack of rainfall contribute to the buildup of salts in the soil? Is the salinity due to evaporation leaving behind dissolved salts, and how does this process work in detail? What role do temperature, humidity, and evaporation rates play in intensifying salinization in these regions? Could the salinization be traced back to ancient marine sediments, saline groundwater sources, or past climatic events that left residual salts in the landscape? How do irrigation practices in arid regions exacerbate or mitigate salinity, and what kind of water quality is being used for irrigation? Does it contain dissolved salts that accumulate in the soil over time? How does soil texture and composition affect the movement and retention of salts, and are certain soil types more prone to salinization than others? What exactly is acidity, and how is it different from general salinity in soils? Does acidity refer specifically to the presence of sodium ions rather than a broad range of salts? How do sodium ions affect soil structure? And why do they pose a unique problem in terms of soil degradation and nutrient availability? In what ways does acidity contribute to nutrient loss in the soil? Does it displace essential nutrients like potassium, calcium, or magnesium? Or does it affect the soil's ability to retain and supply nutrients to plants? How does acidity alter the physical properties of soil, such as permeability, porosity, and aggregation? And why does this lead to poor water infiltration and root development? Are there measurable thresholds that differentiate between saline and sodic soils? And what testing methods are used to assess salinity and acidity levels in the field?